Hello friends, this is Lenny Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I'm reviewing Innisfree Fruity Squeeze Tints. It claims that moist, glistening water shine lip with vivid color, enriched with menthol-based ingredients and pearl extracts to create plumper lips. It comes in a transparent plastic tube that represents its color along with its cap. The applicator is thin and flat, just like the Pony Effects applicator, but with a fuzzy texture. It is quite flexible. These tints include many vegetable and fruit oils, hence you can see the glossy texture. The first color, number 3, Sun-Dried Jujube, is a brown-purple color. It looks like you have chewed on someone's liver as a gradient lip. Just kidding. The shine is stunning, that looks like dewdrops on my lips. These tints have a non-sticky finish even though it's a gloss type. These tints are very pigmented yet transparent at the same time, as you can see that even a small quantity of it has coated my entire lip. The more I apply, the shinier and vibrant the color looks on my lips. These tints have a fruity scent and smell so delicious. Oh, by the way, if you're liking my review so far, then please do leave a comment and like this video, as it will help my channel a lot. As a full lip, it looks so mesmerizing. These tints are very moisturizing and don't dry lips at all. In fact, it keeps lips hydrated. I will recommend this to people who are into fall vibes. I think it will complement any skin tone. All of these tints stain just like their color. It stains pretty strong and the stain lasts for more than 4 to 5 hours even while eating and drinking. Number 6, Strawberry, is a bluish tone fuchsia pink color. This color gives summer vibes. I will recommend this color to people who love bright colors. These tints are not at all patchy, even a messy coating looks very even and natural. It makes lips seem volumized by its shine coating system that has pearl added to it. Number 7, Apricot, is a warm coral color. This color gives warm tone vibes more, but I think it will suit everyone. These tints feel light on the skin. The color blends well and glides on smoothly, giving it a natural look. But the gloss disappears pretty quickly within 1 to 2 hours of applying the tint. This is the stain it leaves on the lips. Number 9, Pomegranate, is a red blood orange color. It is a warm color, but it will be suitable for every skin tone, I think. These tints give summer vibes. So this is the stain it leaves. That's how it looks after 5 hours. The stain is still there on my lips and my lips don't feel dry at all. I will rate it 4.5 by 5 and minus 0.5 for these colors looked very different in real life from what they looked at on the model. But I will definitely recommend it to you all. In case you still have some questions, then do comment. I will try to help you as much as I can. Bye!